Nikki Soohoo joining me on Life Above the Clouds Live.
Wow.
Today we are making some fruit and nut bars. We have 12 pitted dates. And we have a combination of cashews and pumpkin seeds, and I have raw cashews and toasted cashews. But the great thing about this recipe is that you can use any nuts you want and any dried fruit that you want. We also have dried fruits, and in here I have raisins, dried cranberries, and dried blueberries. And then we also have some coconut chips.
They smell so good. I just want to eat them all right now.
We have 1 tablespoon of cannabis infused coconut oil. This recipe is super easy because we don't have to cook anything. We are just gonna put everything in our food processor, and I've already lined an 8x8 dish with parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the bottom. First, we are gonna start by putting our dates in here. And these are...
all of them go in.
All of them go in.
Okay.
And I'm putting them in here first because if we put everything in at the same time, the dates are pretty large right now and I want them to kind of pulverize.
Got it.
Because the dates are sticky and that's what's gonna help keep all of our stuff together. So we want the dates to be pretty small, but I like the nuts to be still kind of chunky.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna add all of our other stuff.
Everything?
So this is our 1.5 cups of various nuts. It can be whatever you want. We have cashews and pumpkin seeds. And then we have our dried fruit. That's 1 cup of dried fruit. We have raisins, cranberries, and blueberries.
So fancy.
But like whatever you want, whatever you like. And then our coconut chips. Oh my God, we forgot to put in our coconut oil. Oops.
It looked clear, so I couldn't tell there was anything.
There's our cannabis coconut oil. Ooh. So now I'm just pressing it down, and you just want to press it nice and compact, solid. I don't know what words I'm looking for. So that way it all is one big bar instead of like a, I don't know, trail mix thing. So this is gonna go in the freezer and we're gonna hang out for about 20 minutes. We can just lift this right out of the pan.
Okay.
So just grab the paper on both sides and lift it out.
Ta-da!
And we can put it on the back side of my cutting board.
Great.
And then here we have it.
Oh, so cute.
So look at our giant bar.
That looks delicious. Cheers.
Cheers. Uh-oh.
Tastes good.
Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for joining us.
We made some lovely cannabis fruit and nut bars.
They're delicious.
That were very good, actually, for how healthy that they are. But thank you guys for watching, and thank you for my friend Nikki for joining us. I have a Patreon page if you guys want to go check that out. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next week.
Life above the clouds.